At Mechatronics and Automation, become part of a new generation of engineers. Specialize in robotics and intelligent systems to create sophisticated automated machines. Or dive into maritime systems which explore and operate in the ocean space. Take part in industry projects and develop full-scale technology together with local businesses. And work with professionals as you learn systems for propulsion, positioning and maneuvering of advanced seagoing vessels. At the heart of Ålesund Tech Cluster, write your master's thesis in collaboration with the industry. As you contribute to sustainable, innovative solutions in an increasingly automated world. Apply today for a Master's in Mechatronics and Automation at NTNU in Ålesund.